You're watching Gadgets Wheel, and in this video we'll be showing you some 12 amazing gadgets which will make your time in the kitchen more fun, easy, and will help you unleash your creativity in the best way. And you gotta watch this video till the end because the coffee printer and smart cookie maker will surely convince you for a purchase. But before we move ahead, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. And if you want to buy any of the products, you can find their links in the description below. Let's begin. Number 1. Coffee printer. Maybe you're having a get-together at your house and you want to make some top-notch arrangements for your gathering. And of course, a gathering is never complete without a cup of coffee. And that too, a stylish coffee. But you're worried about how will you make an amazing coffee? Then worry no more, because 𝐬𝐴 has made this product just for you to get your job done easily. Simply make a cup of coffee and top it with foam. You can then place this cup on the tray of this coffee printer and choose the picture you want to print on your coffee. And within seconds, your coffee will have your desired image printed on the top. And now you're all set to serve this coffee. Number 2. Strainer. Whenever you get rice, lentils, fruits, vegetables, or anything, it is always a better practice to wash it with water because you don't want to risk consuming the contaminating particles that may be present on them. So for this, you need to wash and strain your ingredients. But it is agreeable that this is not always an easy task, which is why this perfect strainer can be something you would immediately want to purchase. Because it is super simple to use and has a lot of benefits. Simply put your ingredients in the bucket, fill it with water, clean your ingredients, and strain the water from the netted surface on the side. Your job will be done cleanly and without wasting any of your ingredients. Number 3. Square cutter. It's always hard cutting ingredients with knives because you may end up cutting your finger. And on top of that, no matter how hard you try, your cutting will never be precise and accurate. To solve this problem, you can purchase this square cutter. Simply put your ingredient on the base and choose the relevant cutter with some gentle force, and you will have cut your ingredients in some fine squares and pretty efficiently. This tool will reduce the risk of cutting your finger greatly and will help you cut quickly. Number 4. Electric Fondue Pot. This incredible electric fondue pot by Nostalgia is a perfect gadget for your kitchen because it does a great job in making desserts more fun. Simply adjust the temperature of the pot to your preference and enjoy your ingredients in it. You can dip your ingredients with the colored forks and dip it in the fondue pot and have a perfect taste. Its cool touch handles make the pot extremely accessible and easily movable, which simply adds to its portability. Number 5. 9-in-1 Air Fryer. Many people hate the idea of deep frying food in lots of oil because that can be damaging for your body, and to their frustration, they can't find a solution easily. But this 9-in-1 air fryer by Tefal is amazing, as it does the frying with 99% less fat content and does a very good and quick job. With its amazing cooking presets, it makes cooking a task of a single touch. Additionally, it has a perfect design which is super easy to clean, which makes owning this gadget not a trouble. So, if you are that health and fitness conscious person, you need this gadget to quench your cravings for healthy junk food. Number 6. Tupperware. Making tasty desserts can be a challenging task if your gadgets are limited, but with just one additional tool present in your kitchen, you can do a lot more with your creativity. The Tupperware is made of a rubbery material, which makes using it extremely easy and adds to its portability. Simply fill it with your ingredients and add whatever ingredients you want to make your desserts more amazing. And with more creativity, you can produce more creative desserts. Number 7. Smart Cookie Maker. Making cookies was always a trouble for you? Then worry no more, because the Smart Chip Cookie Maker is an amazing gadget which even has mobile connectivity through an app to inform you when your cookies are done. You can use this gadget manually with your own recipe, as well as with automatic presets offering more than 9 types of dough. You can select your cookies to be chewy, classic, or crispy. With the best settings to customize the final taste and composition of your cookies, this gadget will enable you to make cookies an easy job. And lastly, now Siri can finally get some cookies prepared for you. Number 8. Bread Knife. Cutting breads can never be easy, especially with the usual knives found in homes because breads have a rather crispy and hard dough, which makes it hard for regular knives to cut through. But Tascama's amazing bread cutting knife is the perfect utensil to cut breads, as it has a specially designed finishing and surface, which makes cutting simpler than ever. Number 9. Silicone Containers. These containers are made of high-quality silicone, which will make your problem of storing ingredients and food in an efficient way easier. The high-quality silicone composition of these containers is what gives these containers some great portability and functionality. And of course, storage is not a problem either, as they have a flexible structure, which means that they can be stacked upon one another to fit in small places. Number 10. Kitchen accessory. While the kitchen is a place in your home where you can encounter many major issues, there are always those tiny issues which make it working in the kitchen more frustrating. So for example, you were dressed up well and had to simply wash a glass. While washing it, the sprinkles of water from the sink made your counter and your clothes wet, and now you have to dry your clothes. So to encounter this issue, you need this cover for your countertop, which will do well to protect your clothes from getting wet from the water sprinkles and make washing neat and clean. On top of that, this cover is made of high-quality silicone and has a flexible, easy-to-clean design. Number 11. Drainer rack. Do you struggle when you need that extra bit of space in your kitchen to dry, cool, or temporarily put a thing or two somewhere for a while before you use it, but worried that it may spoil your countertop due to heat or being wet? Then don't worry and grab this drainer rack, which has countless uses. This rack can be used as a drainer to hold washed objects, ingredients, or tools to drain the water from it. Additionally, it may be used to cool objects down which are hot, such as hot frying pans, or maybe defrost frozen ingredients. These racks are easily stackable and washable, which means it's a must-have. Number 12. Dishcloths. Whenever working in the kitchen, at some point you will need something to clean up some spilling, clean the window, or maybe just dry your counter, and this needs you to have some cloths in the kitchen, which are specifically made for such tasks and do well. And so do these dishcloths, as they can be used to clean spilling, windows, fridge fronts, and you name it. They're extremely handy in keeping your kitchen tidy and maintaining it. Due to their high quality material, these cloths are meant to last long and serve you for as long as you use them with care. Having such a cloth or two can certainly go a long way, so get one. And these were some 12 amazing gadgets which we brought to you in this video. We are sure you'll love them and would like to buy them. And if you believe we missed any other gadget which deserve to be part of our video, suggest it in the comments below, and we'll keep that in mind. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon before you leave. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.